marshmallows.
Pierogies, baklava, and chocolate.
Pizza, ice cream, pizza, eggs, bacon and toast, peppers and cucumbers and sandwiches. Pineapple, pizza, and ice cream.
Chicken, pizza,
Mashed potatoes and blackberries. Pickles, vegetables.
I do not like cucumbers, and I do not like broccoli.
I won't touch an olive or mushroom.
peas, broccoli, asparagus.
Pickles,
I do not like tomatoes.
tomatoes.
Tomatoes. I
Tomatoes.
can't stand them. I would take away cucumbers because I don't like cucumbers, and then I take away cucumbers, I take away pickles, which is a good thing too.
Spaghetti,
Chicken strips.
hot dogs and chicken. Fries. Pasta. Steak. Pizza. Yes. Pretty much. You could with Jello.
I like to go over to the bakery and just see all the cool designs that they make.
Yeah, it has delicious.
I like the
foods.
bakery.
Yeah, I like how they have donuts there. It's a store where I know someone else who's there. Oh yeah, in the little cart.
She likes to use the little kid cart thing.
Once I helped doing the dishes and putting them back in the shelf.
We set the table. Sometimes I help cook.
You have your mom tell you what you need to get, and then you go get that and ask if you can like pour it in, and then you pour it in, and then like she does some of it, you do some of it. It's really fun.
Wait very patiently for it to weigh in the oven. I like blending all the things together and mixing them. I eat different foods than my mom and dad sometimes.
I eat the same, just my brother is really picky, so he eats different.
We always eat the same thing, except my parents have bigger meals. Like they make everything bigger on their plate.
Usually most of the time it's me having hot dogs while everybody else is having like something fancy.
If we don't like the food, we'll usually eat soup or something else.
But whatever they make, we pretty much have to eat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they make us. What we liked about our day and what we didn't like about our day. Well, the usual thing we talk about is like how was our day and stuff.
Yeah, how was our day? Pepperoni.
Pepperoni,
Pepperoni and sausage.
plain cheese.
I've got to say pepperoni and sausage pizza.
Pepperoni.
Cheese.
Well, I do this. I don't know if anyone else does, but I'll do mashed potato pizza. I go with beef, cheese, lettuce, sour cream, salsa, guacamole, onions, and sometimes pepper. I like the taco in the cup a lot.
Meat, cheese, sour cream, lettuce, that type of stuff. Ones with no meat.
Lettuce and cheese.
We don't like the meat on the taco.
Yeah, we do not like meat on tacos.
What kind of taco is that?
Donuts.
Cereal. My dad makes this thing called breakfast casserole, and I'll eat it for dinner, lunch, and breakfast. I like waffles and bacon.
Chocolate chip pancakes.
Pancakes. Pancakes.
I like pancakes a lot. Granola bars. Twizzlers.
Easy. Chips and hummus.
Cheez-Its. Ice cream. That doesn't really count as a snack.
Ice cream.